Are you feeling overwhelmed by your compact living room? Don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video, how to make the most of compact living room, we'll explore 60 innovative design ideas that will transform your small space into a stylish and functional oasis. Watch our video and discover how to achieve the perfect balance between comfort and modern aesthetics in your contemporary home. Hi friend, Lulu Stamate here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Grig Interior Design Solution. Small living spaces can often appear cramped and disorganized, but with the right design strategies, you can maximize every square foot. From multifunctional furniture to clever storage solutions, our video showcases inspiring concepts tailored for compact living rooms. Whether you prefer minimalist or eclectic styles, you are sure to find ideas that resonate with your personal taste and make your living area not only more livable but also more inviting. We invite you to watch the full video and dive deep into the world of small living room designs. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips on transforming your space. Let's turn your compact living room into the sanctuary you've always dreamed of. Compact living rooms have become increasingly prevalent in urban environments where space is often at a premium. The smaller areas demand unique design considerations to ensure both functionality and aesthetic appeal. A primary characteristic of compact living rooms in their limited square footage, which present challenges, is selecting appropriate furniture and decor. Homeowners must navigate the delicate balance of creating a space that feels open and inviting while accommodating all necessary elements for daily living. One of the key challenges in compact living areas is the restricted room for traditional furnishings. Many homeowners find it difficult to incorporate full-size sofas, coffee tables, and entertainment units without making the room feel cramped. To counter this, there is a growing emphasis on the necessity of multifunctional furniture, pieces that serve dual purposes, such as sofa, bed, or an ottoman with storage, are particularly valuable. This option allows individuals to optimize their living space without compromising on comfort or style. Moreover, the importance of an inviting atmosphere cannot be overstated in compact living rooms. Thoughtful design choices such as color palettes, lighting, and layout play a significant role in transforming a small area into a welcoming heaven. Lighter hues can help to create an illusion of more space, while strategic lighting can enhance depth and dimension. By being intentional with design elements, homeowners can craft environments that are not only functional but also enjoyable to inhabit. As the trend of compact living continues to grow in response to urbanization and housing costs, understanding these unique characteristics become critical. Those navigating the challenges of limited space should prioritize innovative design strategies that maximize both utility and style. Through careful consideration, even the most compact living rooms can be transformed into beautifully functional spaces. In today's fast-paced world, maximizing space in compact living rooms is essential for comfort and functionality. This section presents a curated list of 60 innovative design ideas that cater specifically to compact spaces. Each idea is designed to inspire and help individuals make the most out of their limited living areas. First, consider the theme of color and decor, like color palettes such as soft whites, pale blues, and gentle pastels can create an illusion of more space. Accent walls featuring bold colors or pattern wallpaper can add depth and character without overwhelming the room. Utilizing mirrors strategically can also enhance light and create the perception of a larger area. Incorporating minimalist artwork and streamline decor further reinforces an airy feel. Next, we delve into furniture arrangement. Multifunctional furnishings give compact living rooms a practical edge. For example, a sofa bed not only provides seating but also accommodates overnight guests, while a nesting table can serve various purposes without taking up excessive space. Arranging furniture to encourage conversation, such as placing seating in a U shape or around a central coffee table, can foster a welcoming atmosphere. Lighting solutions are vital in small spaces. Layered lighting, which combines ambient, accent, and task lighting, can create warmth and enhance the room's usability during various times of the day. Wall sconce and floor lamps are excellent alternatives to traditional overhead fixtures, allowing for flexibility and style without consuming valuable floor space. Lastly, storage options cannot be overlooked. Vertical storage solutions such as tall bookshelves and wall-mounted cabinets help keep items organized while maximizing floor area. Ottomans with hidden compartments and stylish storage baskets are ideal for maintaining neatness while ensuring that the living room remains functional. Overall, these design ideas for compact living rooms balance aesthetics and functionality, providing an array of options that cater to different tastes and lifestyles. Designing a compact living room can be a rewarding challenge that allows for creativity while maximizing the use of available space. One of the foremost strategies is to select the appropriate color palette. Like colors such as pastels and whites can reflect more light, creating an airy feel. Dark tones can make spaces appear cozy but may also shrink the visual space, so they should be used tastefully and combined with lighter elements to maintain balance. Moreover, choosing multifunctional furniture is imperative in a small living area. Look for items that can serve several purposes, such as sofa bed, ottomans with storage, or coffee table that can expand. This not only serves space but also adds versatility, allowing for quick alterations to the layout when entertaining guests or changing the room's function. Consider furniture with slender profiles, which can provide comfort without overwhelming the space. Utilizing vertical space effectively is another crucial tip for small space living. Wall-mounted shelves are perfect for displaying books, plants, and decorative items without occupying the valuable floor space. Tall bookcases or cabinets draw the eye upward, further enhancing the illusion of height in a room. Mirrors are also powerful tools that can make a small area feel more expansive. Strategically placing mirror can increase light flow and create depth. Lastly, decluttering and organizing cannot be overstated. A tidy space feels larger and more inviting. Regularly assess the items to ascertain that it's necessary and look for innovative storage solutions such as under furniture storage or decorative baskets. A well-organized living area promotes tranquility and allows the design elements to shine without being overshadowed by unnecessary clutter. Compact living rooms present unique challenges to homeowners, yet they also offer exceptional opportunities for creativity and innovation. By examining real-life examples, one can derive invaluable insights into the design principles that can transform a small space into a functional and aesthetically pleasing environment. Homeowners across various settings have embraced the idea of maximizing space while maintaining a stylish atmosphere. One exemplary case is a beautifully designed New York City apartment where ingenious furniture placement facilitated an open field. The homeowner opted for a sleek modular sofa that not only serves as seating but also incorporates hidden storage. Vertical wall shelves were employed to enhance the vertical space, allowing for the display of decorative items without cluttering the floor area. This approach not only maximized storage but also injected personality into the room, demonstrating how thoughtful design can overcome the constraints of limited square footage. A different perspective is offered by a compact living room in a Scottish flat. The homeowner embraces a monochromatic color scheme that creates a sense of continuity, effectively making the space feel larger. By maximizing visual clutter and choosing multifunctional furniture such as an ottoman that doubles as a coffee table, this design illustrates how color and form can work together harmoniously in small living quarters. The homeowners remark on the importance of personal touches such as artwork that resonates, making the space both functional and reflective of individual style. Another compelling example is found in a blend of modern and vintage elements showcased in a Sydney apartment. The clever use of mirrors to reflect light and create depth significantly transform the atmosphere. Additionally, the choice of incorporating antique pieces into a contemporary setting offers a unique personality, demonstrating that even in a small spaces, style does not have to be sacrificed for practicality. Homeowners often recount how such creative approaches have made their compact living rooms inviting and fulfilling. As we conclude our journey through compact living room design, we hope you feel inspired by the 60 innovative ideas we've explored today. Each concept serves as a reminder that even the smallest of spaces can be transformed into stylish, functional environments. Reflect on your own space. Remember, a well-designed compact living room is all about maximizing efficiency while maintaining a personal touch. Incorporate unique styles and elements that resonate with you, ultimately creating a space that not only looks great but feels like home. If you enjoy these ideas and want to stay updated with more design tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Each week, we deliver fresh insights into making the most out of your living spaces. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your favorite tips and any question you may have in the comments below. Happy decorating. Bye now.